Hello, good afternoon. Today we are going to go feed Rob's horses. Rob went to Thailand. We're going to go feed the horses for him. ไปเกลือมาให้หมูพันปลินเมืองไทยไปเลย2 ทิศละ3 ทิศละนะ So the snow just melted. It snowed like 4 or 5 inches the other day, but it's pretty good weather today. It's like 45 degrees. Alright, let's go.
1/4 mile, turn right.
See you at the farm. Hot lah. We are in the hills, countryside. Rob's farm.
Arriving at destination on right.
Bunch of deer tracks on in the snow here.
Oh, there's a lot of deer out there, man.
Yeah. Oh, your peacocks are here, man.
Yeah, that should still be there.
I guess they're hungry.
I'm sure they are.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, we're out here in your part of the woods, man. We're near.
Yeah.
See where it says.
Look at the peacocks. You see the peacock?
Yeah.
นกยุง
Uh-huh.
เห็นบ่นกยุง
Yeah.
Well, this light switch didn't do anything. Oh, that's the side?
Yeah, leave that one down.
Okay. This one right here, right?
Just go straight, yeah. So,
Okay.
for the
ห็น
first
บ่นก
round
ยุง
here.
Peacocks. That's pretty cool. That's a bunch of peacocks.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, back to the stall.
The corn is right
And this is what I feed to the peacocks and the deer.
now is, you see all that metal bead
Yeah.
to the left?
Hold on.
Watch out for the...
We're feeding the peacocks right now. Oh, they're fighting.
They're fighting.
นกยุงตีกัน They're fighting for food. All right. I'm coming this way.
Just cross that and just start
Okay.
making a line down.
Oh, oh.
All right. I'm putting my phone down. Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
And just empty this one here.
Yeah, just go straight down the field.
Okay.
Use your hand, dude.
No, you don't have to use the hand. It's fine.
You got nice land, Rob.
Thanks. Yeah, it's really nice.
Wow.
เห็นบ่นกยุง
You guys need to come out and camp out.
Yeah, I wanted to.
Yeah.
All right. Got that one done.
All right, job one.
Oh, I don't see any deer yet. Let's go.
Yeah. They'll come up probably, I'm not sure.
All right.
Just go ahead and close that gate in the back of the barn there.
เกลือมาวันนี้ Welcome to the farm life.
Yeah.
The pond's kind of frozen over. Not completely, but a little bit. Yeah. It's gonna get warmer. I see him, Rob. Yeah, I see him. They're in the field.
Where?
Come on. Up on my.
Okay.
I see him. They're on the field. You see him?
So how many you got?
They're down there. You see him? Alright. So just put it here and calm.
Just put it in the
Yeah.
tray there.
Alright. Hold on. Is that enough for them, man? That doesn't look like a lot.
Yes,
See?
it's enough for now. Yeah, it'll help out for now.
Alright.
It's enough.
Hold on. They're not coming this way.
Just holler at them.
Woo! Come on! Woo! Is that how you call a horse?
Yeah, something like that.
Here they come. Come on! There they come. One of them's coming. The other one's still standing there.
Yeah, they'll take a minute to figure out
He's staring at me now.
They don't have the name, Rob.
They'll come up slowly.
What's their name?
They don't have names.
Here they come. Here they come.
Alright.
Come on, Rob Jr.
Trying to get these horses to come up and eat. Yeah, down here is the Stones River behind these trees. Yeah,
Just the middle part.
it's nice land out here. Come on, come on. I don't know. มันบ่ลึงที่มันจะบ่มา I don't think they're used to me. Come on, you guys want to eat?
People doing here.
I know.
It's scary. I'm
Come
gonna
on, ma lah. Here they come.
Are they here?
Come
Are
on.
they here to eat us?
Come on, come eat.
Oh, มันหากันนะ
Yeah, they're waiting for each other.
Yeah. One's male, one's female.
Yeah. Wow, this one's got a lot of fur.
Yeah, the male does.
Yeah.
Rob, how come they don't have the clothes?
You don't got no blankets for them, man?
Nah, that's fine.
Nah, yeah, right. These are big horses. Pretty horses.
Yeah. They're Tennessee walking horses.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know how long that's gonna last them. You want me to put some more out?
No, it doesn't matter. The amount doesn't make a big deal after a certain amount.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
It's more consistency. But I'm just trying to get them a little different food.
Yeah. They
They should have some hay.
look healthy.
Okay, good.
Yeah. It looked like they got more fur than when I was here in the summer.
Oh yeah.
It grow-
They get it around. Yeah, Yeah, they get it around November. They start to build it up.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's what they able.
Yeah. Huh?
It's a big horse.
Yeah. โอ้บ่เตะแล้วเฮาอยู่อยู่พี่มันคือบ่ยืนทั้งหลังมัน Yeah. All right.
You got two
All
stuff
right.
over here.
Now for the big task.
All right. See you horses. All right. Now what? What's up?
You got
All
two
right.
stuff.
Let's put the bucket back in the stall.
Okay. We got a help. I got a helper with me, Rob.
All right. Finally.
See?
That's good.
Yeah. I got a helper.
Yeah.
We're living the farm life today.
Yeah.
We're living the farm life today.
That's Paris Hilton farm life.
Yeah. Paris Hilton farm life. All right. Done with our work. Leaving now. See ya next time.